Hi Greg, this is a tutorial on how the pages weave together for the Gala. So the Gala page and the forms that are associated with the Gala. Okay, so here we are on the main Gala page. And if we click Purchase Tickets, it takes us to this page that has the purchase ticket form embedded in it. And so that's the way to think about it. This is an actual page itself, and the form is embedded on the page. So if I go here, this is the Gala ticket purchase form page. And so in here, you'll see there's a slider, there's the heading of the page, and then this code right here, this is the form. So this is pulling the form in and embedding it on the page, and it does that by this little bit of code, and the ID number is what points to the actual form. So as long as you never change the form that's used, it'll always be ID number 5 and you won't have to worry about it. But then I added this banner, and that became the new ticket purchase form page. Now, if I come over here to forms, and then we have the ticket purchase form. Down here, you've probably already looked at the videos for editing forms, but under confirmations, that's where this message comes up, the thank you message, which indicates the year that they purchased tickets for. If you ever wanted to make that more generic, you could just edit it and say thank you for purchasing tickets, to the Pet Lovers Gala. Then you don't have to worry about updating it year to year. But if you think it's important, and it could be, so that people get their notification for the year, then you leave it that way, and that's how to go in and edit it. So in here, this is where the notification is for the director. So this is sending the form to J. Breller at humanesocietyofsedona.org, and then it's blind copying it to M. Johnson and to F. Philippe. So that is where you would update those notifications. And then coming back over to pages, and again we're just going to look at the Gala pages. Oops. Okay. Okay, so back to the main Gala page. Now, the buttons. The buttons are, generated by this code right here, which looks kind of complicated, but it's not that complicated. The thing to know, though, in here is that if you change the name of the link to the page, like you did this year, now it says 2019 Pet Lovers Gala tickets. This link does need to change. So, and you just need to be careful that you just go in and select just the URL, which would only go to that / right there. And in there, just put the new URL, or actually to keep it simpler, just put the new little bit of code at the end there that indicates the new name of the page. And same thing right here with the Gala sponsor. You just come right here. The difference with this one is it's a sub page of the Give menu, which is why that is in there. So humanesocietyofsedona.org /give / and then the name of the page. So again, if the name of the page changes, just change it in here. And then be careful not to touch any of the other code around that. Okay, so that's how to update those buttons. And let's see, everything else on here I think is covered in the tutorial on how to edit the Gala page, so I won't duplicate any of that. And we've already gone through forms. So there is actually, okay, let's finish pages. There is also, as you noticed, a page for the Gala sponsor page. And this is where the Gala sponsor form is embedded. And on here, this is the code that's embedding that form, and it's ID number 9. So again, as long as you never change the form, if you were to duplicate the form and it had a different ID number, then just make sure to go back into here and change the ID number. Okay, and then last thing to know is how to add the new Gala page, or any page, a new page to the menu. And that would be done by going to Appearance, Menus. I'm not going to listen to that, but okay, Appearance, and then click on Menus, and then, very simple, you just come over here, and this is showing you the most recent pages that have been created. You can do View All, or you can do a search for the page that you want. But right now, this is the page that you would have wanted to add. That's already been added, so I'm not going to do it again, but just check the box, click Add to Menu, and then when you do that, it will add that menu item right down here at the very bottom, and it won't have the indent. It'll be over here to the left, and what that'll be doing is it'll be making it a root level item on the menu, which is not what you want. You actually, in this case, what we wanted it under Events. But if you see, when I come over this, the crosshairs come up when I mouse over, and all that allows you to do very nicely and neatly is just drag it around to wherever you want it to be. So in this case, it came from down here and I dragged it up to here. And you just want to make sure, if you want it to be a drop-down item rather than a root level item in the menu, make sure that you just drag it up and over a little bit so that it has that little bit of an indent, and as soon as you see that, then you'll know that it's okay to click Save Menu. So there you go. I believe that's all you need to know for how to edit those pages, and hopefully this is helpful for next year when you do it, or perhaps if someone else does it. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.